Michael Daniels on the carry. He is going to be stopped just short of the goal line. Quartet of Tornadoes on the stop. Brings up a 2nd and 2. Michael Daniels will take it in the end zone from 2 yards out for a Clyde Flyers touchdown.